Yeah, once again, good morning, everyone. So yesterday we were completed item attribute discussion, right? And we started methods of creating item. So we already seen creating the item manually and creating the item by using copy template, right? Two methods we have seen. So now we'll go and see how to create the item by using existing item, okay, by using existing item. So when I say existing item, might be you define the item manually by enabling respective attributes, okay. By enabling respective attributes, you have created the item manually, and you are going to define the item see with the same item attributes. So for example, we have defined one item. I think this one we have defined manually. So when you see here, there is nothing user type. So we have defined manually. If you see other item, it is having finished good. Okay, finished good. So what I'll do is there are four methods of creating a item actually. Okay, we'll see one by one quickly. Even though we completed manual and all manually, and we also completed copy document, copy from, right? We'll discuss again. So it will be in one recording session. Quickly open. So what we do is ABC laptop 003. So manually I'm going to define this each. Okay. So manually updating the attributes, required attributes. I'm just updating required attributes. Palm load, casting enable. Okay. Everything. Purchasing tab. I'm enabling required I think for purchasing is not required. I'm the one who manufacturing this item. Okay. Fine. Now go back to working process. I'm manufacturing this item, right? So I want to use this as assembly full. Okay. And I want to use this customer order, internal order enable, and OA transactable. Okay. And yes, this can be returnable. Yes, inspection also required. Okay. For this. And shipping arc, I will select here Bangalore. Okay. Manually, I'm selecting. So invoiceable. Yes. Okay. It's fine. This is enough. So manually I have defined. So you must be same as the clause across. So it is saying the item has been already created. So I'm just giving 33. Okay. Fine. Save it. Save it. When there is a same item is existed and it is like UM also same, then it will ask you to make changes on a UIM item level. Okay, fine. I made it a unique item name. Okay, I saved it. Manually, I have entered all attributes. I selected all attributes. I'm going to assign to org. Okay, so this is manual method. Okay, this is manual method. So now we'll go and see copy document. Like copy from. Fine, close this. Click on master items. Just enter Just enter item name ABC laptop 0034. Okay, each. Okay, now core tools copy from. This is second method. Okay, so this is a finished good. I'm manufacturing this item, right? So select finished good template from the list of value. Okay, finished good. Okay, finished good. Just give me a second. Yeah. So select finished good template because we are manifesting this item. Okay, click on apply and done. So once you're done, see here, user item type is coming here, which you define manually. It won't have any user item type because you not copied from the template. You defined manually by selecting attributes. Okay, save this and assign to org. Assign to org. Okay, the required orgs you can assign. You can even assign to Hyderabad, anything. Okay, assign to org. Fine. So this is second way. And creating item with by using existing item. So let's see. So ABC laptop 0035. So I have defined one item manually, right? By selecting. I want to have that attributes, everything. Okay. Now what you can do is go to tools, copy from. You will be having in the above template. Okay. You have template here. And the below you will be having item reference. If you want to copy this item reference attributes to your item, like okay, your new item, you can simply search for that item. I think that is 33. Yeah, 33 we created manually. Okay. Now once you select this item and just click on apply and done. So all attributes, see this also I not selected. And if you see here, yes, this is enable and builds bomb also enable and purchasing we not enable, right? See, we not this is not enable. And if you go to the order management tab, see everything ABC Bangalore, shipping org, returnable, everything is copied. Same attributes, it's copied. See? So after the invoice, we not done anything, right? Here nothing. Okay. So this is three third third method. Okay. First is manually, second is copy from template, and third is copy from existing item. Okay, existing item. And the fourth one is by using API. Okay. So by using API, like you, if you have like 100 or 200 or 1000 items, right? 1000 items. So in that case, we go on using by using API. Okay, through API, we can load the data into staging tables. Okay, staging tables. From there, so we have a program. So from there we have program. Let me just assign this to arc. Yeah. So through API, right? If you want to create bulk items, 100, 200, 1000 or 2000 or 5000 items, if you want to create, right? So then through API, we can utilize. We can utilize and we can load the data into staging table. And now from that staging table, so we have import items program. Okay, import items. Just view, request, submit new request, single request, import items. Item import. Import cycle. I think that the program not available for this responsibility. So what I'll do is now let me go back to uh, system administrator security responsibility. Let me check what is the request group. ABC SI inventory. So all inclusive. Okay, inventory. Now come down. All inclusive inventory. Here control down arrow import. Yeah, this one. Import items. This is the program. Okay, now save it. So this all will discuss in real-time concepts. How do we assign custom report to our responsibility? Okay. How do we restrict a program to not to access other responsibilities? Everything will discuss in real-time concepts. Now go back to this view request, submit new request, single request, import percentage. This one, import items. So this the one, all organization. You want to import the item to all organization or specific to one organization. This will decide. Okay, this will decide. So validate items means like if same item in API, right? If the same item is coming twice, do you want to validate and stop? Yes. Okay. Process items, creation of items, delete processed rows means delete processed rows means from the staging table you can delete already processed one. Okay, that you can make it here. So create or update items, create. So if you select one, so create new items. If you select two, update existing item, or three, sync items. Okay, with these parameters you can run, and so whatever the data is there in a staging table, right? Okay, it will pick and it will transfer to MTL system items B. Let me open a SQL. So if you want to do this activity, so we need a DBA, technical, and B. So three peoples, DBA team, technical team, and functional team has to do this activity. This is the interface table, MTL system items interface. See, there are some data is there in interface. All these are interface data. So the item name you can find in segment one. So this is the segment one. If you see here, CM something, their company and something code. Okay, code and the description of this item. So optical mouse, wireless mouse, upgrade board, processor, something. Okay. So this is just a item description. Okay. So once you have the data here, the step is first step is load the data into staging table. Staging table. So that is this. So this is done through API. TH through API. Okay, through API. And then this is the first step. Second is, so once you have the data here, run import items program from the inventory responsibility. So this is the second step. Okay, this is the second step. And when you run this program right here, if you all organizations, if you select the all organizations, so whatever the items or child organizations is there, right? For all of them, it will assign. Okay, you don't need to again go and manually assign. Okay, if you're creating any respective org, and here you will be having, if you see here, you will be having organization ID. See here, organization ID. Okay, that specific organization ID will come here. You can give. So whatever there in a specific organization, right? Most probably it will be item master organization. Okay, item master organization. And if you run this one with yes, right, it will assign to all child. Okay, so this is the process actually. If you want to do this activity, we need at least a technical team should be there. Okay, fine. Any questions on methods of creating item? Okay, and through not only through API, we can also build a custom functionality. So how it could be, I can build a custom functionality. It is something like I want one UI form. Okay, however we want the application. Okay, we can customize this application. So pretty much possible. So for example, you are opening some UI forms, right? Here, UI form. You have opened, this is UI, user interface form. I want similar way, one interface form, okay, like business requirement. Okay, business requirement is like I want one UI custom form. Like they won't say like it is UI form or not. Okay, they will say I want one form where I have to upload my Excel set, my CSV file, either CSV file or Excel sheet. So that Excel sheet contain the data. So that data, when I upload here, when I upload in this application, and when I trigger some, it has to load into some activity. For example, item creation. Okay. So for item creation, we received a requirement from business saying that they want to load the data by using Excel sheet. Okay, by using Excel sheet. In that case, what we can do, we can simply create one UI form like this, and we can give the parameter something like item creation, item update, item deletion, right? Item deletion we can give, and we can give there itself some upload button. So once you click on upload, it will in from your local system itself, it will open File Explorer, and from the File Explorer, you can select the specific Excel sheet or CSV file, and once you click on OK, and it will upload, and you will be having a submit button, and once you click the submit, and it will go and insert the data into this interface table. Once the data is inserted here, then you have a standard program, item or import items program. This is the Oracle provided standard program. So this program will take care of creating the items. So anything we can do customization. Okay, Oracle will provide a standard way, but if that is not that is like difficult, and client want more flexibility, more easy way, right? Then we can customize, not an issue. Okay, I think fine. We have completed item topic. Let's go to the document. So next is, I guess, inventory transactions. So next is inventory transactions. Go here. So this document also you will be having all this. Okay, fine. Next topic is inventory transactions. So what I'll do is I'll just end this session. Okay, and I will upload this recording in separately. Okay, now we are going to new topic, right? So this very important topic. Okay, we'll discuss these transactions. Let me stop recording.